Courtney.
Oh, look at my face.
Oh.
Look at my
What did I
face.
do?
I think there's something wrong with my face. Look at the
Red
camera.
eye flash. No, I don't want red eye flash. I just want to be on regular. Grayson, stand there for a minute. Oh, there we go.
Look.
So weird. You're like a cyclops. Are you recording that?
It's weird. That thing is so cool.
I know.
Whoa.
That was really weird.
That was neat, huh? Courtney, stand there.
I like this one.
Courtney, why'd you do that?
Make
Come
it
out.
Cool.
Too bad I got you. Here, come on.
Oh, that was really right.
Yeah, it was, because you can tell, because you're squinting. That's all right.